tell, Kyle.
Come on!
Telltale Tuesday.
Hello, everybody. We're playing Telltale Tuesday.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I was playing Kirby Quick Draw.
I told you to watch your head. You dumbass.
What the fuck? Our brother called us a dumbass? What a dick. That is, we were living in the same room. Maybe we're just friends. Probably just good friends.
Are we gonna find?
Bet you can't do that.
Yeah. One of these kids is John Shepard's, I guess. Or the guy who died. John Shepard, you got released it now. Get ready. Up.
Move your ass. I'm
Hey,
waiting.
you didn't suck. Oh, I didn't start the timer. There we go.
He's wasting on the story.
Hey, you know what? And John Shepard is also the name of the guy at the spoilers.
Jeez, you're in
Ready?
nothing but
Okay.
a slowpoke.
The guy
Wait, that's not but an asshole.
in Modern Warfare 2, if you actually do the story, John Shepard is the main guy.
Come on, loser.
What a dick.
What you
Why are
doing?
we
You're
hanging out with
coming
this
or
guy?
not?
And why are we doing the most dangerous stunt ever?
Why are we calling? Someone's definitely gonna fall and die.
Really? You
I
think
hope
so?
I really hope it's him. And
You
not
really?
him, but the other guy, the asshole.
Your brother?
Yeah.
But we're brothers. You wish death upon me?
Yeah. How am I supposed to axe?
Spam it. What the fuck are you doing?
I have to hold it.
R2.
Wait, why was I holding that?
Why were
I
you?
don't know. I thought I had to hold that.
You're stupid.
Oh my god.
Eric, don't fuck up.
Definitely messing this one up.
Man, these guys got some arm strength, man. I could not do
I don't
this.
think I can even hold it.
Could you do this, do you think? I can barely do monkey
I can barely do a
bars.
pull up.
Yeah. I can do monkey bars, but
Monkey bars.
damn is it hard. Like, I don't do it when I'm going to have fun at a park. Like, I would do it for my mud runner race next weekend. Yeah. Because I'm bragging like that. Where'd he go? Not in that corner.
Where the hell he went?
Oh, down those stairs.
Downstairs there.
There are. That way. I like these camera angles. It reminds me of Resident Evil. Have you ever played that? It's fixed camera angles, but it's also a horror game. I hate that.
Downstairs.
That's not stairs.
Where are they going?
No, just go through that doorway. Oh god, that's a slide for garbage.
Yeah.
Don't go down it, kid! You can... Fucking
I guess you're gonna
kid.
do it.
Fucking kid!
I don't want to do it.
These are not safe.
Oh, I don't want to do it.
We should play Minecraft.
I can't. I'll never work.
Move your ass.
Yes.
I'm waiting.
Release. Do a solo Minecraft series.
You don't need to do this. It's too hard for you.
No chance, I can do it all right.
Whenever
Just
we
watch.
join each other.
Yeah, it does. We're something fucking
It takes like
time.
a million hours.
That's Castle Crashers. Oh my god, Eric.
I do it. I think I did that and didn't register it.
You're gotta writing up around. Would you rather do this with motion controls?
Maybe.
You don't want to do this with motion controls. You gotta go like this, and then this, and then this, and then this.
I'm doing it.
You
Why
got
would
it.
you not just take stairs? You dumbass?
Cause they're having fun.
This is not fun!
It's fun to them. They're trailer park kids. Okay, what the fuck
John,
is this
wait
kid
for
trying
me.
to do? Oh,
Get
it's
a
John.
move on.
Heck, it's John.
Johnny, wait for me.
That's John.
I fall off.
Probably. Oh god, Eric.
Oh shit.
Oh. Gotta tilt the controller. So his arms! Arms!
Oh,
Mom, this is not the time!
I really want to fall.
Don't fall.
I'd love to watch this kid die. Whoop! Whee!
Eric!
Birdie!
This isn't John. This is the other kid's John Shepard.
She just fucking jumped
Come
that.
on, it's your turn.
Come on, it's your turn.
I would rather not.
Or what?
Is not an option. Where's the not? Can I move the plank? Can I do a lap?
Rice!
Up, up, up! God damn it, Eric! You're gonna get this poor kid killed. I love how the other guys ran away from you. And release! Up now. You're doing it too
I
late.
went up.
Ah!
Oh, now you like that? Oh,
God, Eric, you're the worst.
shut up. I don't play that.
You're gonna kill this poor
Good, I
child.
want him to die.
Nice.
It's time for the jump of death.
I'd rather not.
It's
Worse
called
than
the
not.
It's called jump of death.
Not option. Not option. R2. What's R2?
R1.
What's R2? Or, yeah. Right.
It was going down. Shit, I gotta pull a lot of things.
Circle.
Oh my god!
Release! Oh, now! Did we really fucking jump that? Are we crazy? That's mud. That's like caked dirt and mud. And that's a nice jacket.
Wow.
That's cool.
Let's play hide and seek. You go and count to 20 and
No,
try
I
to
wanna
find
hide.
He's
it.
dead now.
Okay?
We're gonna fight him, he's gonna be dead.
He's gonna get raped by some.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, I'm gonna get raped by some weirdo.
5, 6,
Oh, you can cheat.
10, 14,
You're the worst.
19, 20.
You are the worst friend ever. I bet he's standing behind you. He's like,
You little
hey,
bitch.
what the fuck?
Can you not, do you not know how to
I
count?
said 20. Help him out! Eric!
Where is he?
Oh god, John!
Where is he?
John! Oh god. Oh, it's over there.
Where?
What's
Those
that?
guys.
There he is.
That's John's voice.
Where?
Left, left, left! Left! Oh, there he is! Oh god, he's drowning!
Foot. My foot is stuck.
Why are you so weak? Why are we playing this game?
Told you he's gonna die.
Tap it, 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 tap it.
I guess I should probably save him.
Pull that shit out.
Okay,
John,
I'll save him.
lose the boot.
That's kinda what I saved him.
Lose the fucking boot, John. Is it really just a shoe? Lose
His
the
foot-
fucking
his
boot.
foot is stuck. Guess I'll save him. Gonna work, what am I gonna do?
Go under, chop your leg
What
off.
are we gonna do? Hang on, John.
They're gonna jump
I'm gonna
in.
help. Just hang on.
I'm coming with you, John.
He's gonna
Go
come
on,
out. He's gonna come back.
Why did he pick this fucking
I
spot?
think the water's rising.
Are you kidding?
Hurrying.
Water can
I'll
only
be right
rise
back.
so high before it floods down. Your head is above that, you dumbass.
But the poor kid never did find any help. And his brother drowned in a pipe full of rainwater.
The boy that lived, what happened to him?
Well, all I know is he got separated from his parents.
His brother died.
I can't even see
I
him.
think he got
You
adopted.
gotta take my pain away.
Well, looks like a storm's coming.
Play that anymore?
I
You
guess I
know
better
the
get
shit we just went
I
through?
can't even see him. You would not jump from his head, his mouth was above where the cement got to the ground.
If he
and
got
it-
weak
Christ,
enough,
what a
and his
horrible
arms
and
story.
he'd fall down again. Yeah.
John Shepard drowned in the rain while holding his brother's hand.
How'd you know that? You never said
Do you
that.
think he
You never said holy.
he could be the origami killer?
What would he be?
Come
A
on,
killer.
let's get back in the car.
Oh god. We're wearing the same colored clothes
What would he
as that kid.
do? Me?
Me. Scott. I'm wearing the same color clothes as that kid. And he is definitely pushing that like idea off to the side. Fucking Scott's the murderer, isn't he? Just like a telltale game to be like, oh yeah.
What's the matter?
Oh god, it's
That
him.
man over there.
Gordy Kramer.
Yeah?
It's Gordy.
Charles Kramer.
Gordy's
Charles
dead?
Kramer!
What's he doing here?
Eric! Big plot! This is the guy! He's putting the flowers at the grave!
He's putting flowers.
At John Shepard's grave!
Okay! Stop tapping my fucking knee! You fucking nut!
Oh god, he even has a guy to hold an umbrella for him. Fucking rich asshole. In his page!
Oh, oops, I want those.
I got the ass of a millionaire. I got that ass that everybody wants, that nobody cares. I'll go fuck all the boys 'cause I am Paige. Fever. Whatever. We got like a minute left. I'm not gonna start new part with a minute left.
Do it.
No, I can't because it won't save and we'll have to redo it. The chef. Hey, we cooked eggs perfectly.
Bullshit.
Great.
This game's bullshit.
Yeah, we suck at it.
Fuck you.
It takes a minute to fucking load. Oh, Blue Lagoon. Lagoon. Ooh, we're a hot girl.
Paco Mendez. He's the guy who rented the Doc's apartment on Marble Street.
Oh my god, she's amazing.
Better be careful.
Look at how hot she
He
is.
might be the killer.
Dude, why does this girl not have a boyfriend? That's all we have for this episode. Next time, we'll pick up with Paige being a sexy motherfucker. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye!